Hello, this is Gavin Phillips with Layer Cake and Photo Effects. What I'm showing you today is the Inferno and Smoke Photoshop plugins and the Beyond the Lens Portrait and Wedding Photoshop actions. So let's get started. You choose your photo, there's a shortcut to activate the plugin, then simply paint on the photo where you want the effect to be applied. Then run the Inferno plugin. The effect has been created, now I'm going to make some edits in the Layers palette. The hue saturation is great for altering the colors. You can also increase the intensity of the fire itself by duplicating that section. If it's too strong, you simply lower the opacity. You can also apply the fire to exact locations in a photo. Now you run the Inferno plugin and the fire will only show up in those selected areas. Here are two more examples. There's quite a variety of ways to use the effect. Now let's review the Smoke plugin. So once again, you simply paint on the photo where you want the smoke to be applied. And you have several ways to tint the smoke with different colors. This is a solid color. You can also try multiple colors together with the included custom Photoshop gradients. The gradients are a really cool and unique tinting option for the smoke, and you can remove the tint from any part of the photo by simply painting on the layer mask. In the same manner, you can remove the smoke from any part of the image. And similar to Inferno, if you want more smoke, you simply duplicate that section. Here are some more examples of the Smoke plugin. Now the software comes with concise movie tutorials that show you how to use it, and the movies also give you new creative ideas about how to use the plugins. Now you can also combine fire and smoke together, as I've done with this image. You can create some really cool effects by combining both of them together. Let's review some of your included portrait and wedding Photoshop actions. Here's a nice portrait. I'm going to run the Romantic 1 action. The action's finished. If we go to the layers, you have a lot of ways to edit the effect. Now I'm going to add a vignette. I run the Add a Vignette action and then edit the vignette to get it exactly the way I want it. After editing the vignette, there's our finished effect. So here's the original portrait, and after we've run the actions. This is a very natural effect and has a strong impact. On this bride, I'll run the Intimate action. I'll add a vignette on this one as well. Then it's just a couple of seconds to edit the vignette. Let's compare the two photos. Here is the original photo, and after we've run our actions. Let's review a few more effects with the actions and plugins. This set of actions and Photoshop plugins are a great time saver that get Photoshop working for you by simply clicking a button. And your one-click fire and smoke plugins are completely unique in the market. Let's return to Photoshop. Let's review what you receive in the software package. So you receive all of this, and the movie tutorials cover everything you'll need to know. The software is compatible with Mac and Windows, and it works with Photoshop CS6 and all of CC. We are offering a new product introductory sale. Please see the website for details. My name is Gavin Phillips. Thank you for watching and have a great day.